Hi guys, so today I'm here to show you how I edit my images and how to make them look better. So today I will show you how to enhance a photo, in this case a Bugatti Chiron. The main adjustments we will focus on are adding glow and highlights, adjusting the shadows, and once these are completed, performing a final touch-up with camera raw filters. So here we are on our Bugatti. So now we are going to add glow, as I said before. I like to use exposure because it does a really good work. I'm gonna drag it a little, and once I find a really good result, I'm gonna invert the mask. So with a really small brush with low flow, I'm gonna draw all over the lights. So once done the small part, we're going to increase the diameter of our brush, and we are going to go a little bit, not too much, just like that. Now let's convert these two layers in one with this option, convert to smart object. Now we are going to work on the shadows. So I like using curves, so I'm gonna drag this slider, I'm gonna drag it down. The more I go to the left, the darker are the colors I'm referring to. So as you can see, I'm making the dark color darker, and this is what I want. So I'm gonna make it a little bit like, now double click and drag this white slider on the underlying layer on the left. Now press Alt and let's make this a little bit softer. Now I'm gonna invert the selection and brush where I want. So here I'm going to make all this with more contrast, like under the wheel here and right here. So this is going to look more cinematic. So this is the before, this after, before, after. So this photo from scratch was really good, so I didn't have to do a lot of adjustments. But now we're going to add the filters with camera raw filter. Now we have a lot of features like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks. So I'm going to play with temperature. Like, let's see if a hot color could work. Yeah, maybe a 7. With this button you can see how the photo was before and after. Let's see if more contrast could, yeah, I like. So before, after, highlights, yes. Okay, little less shadows. Yeah, like it. Now I suggest you pay attention while you are using saturation. Now with the curves, let's add the last edit. I like. Okay, now that we have finished, you can export the result by Shift Ctrl Alt W. So hold this, don't touch them. You can put on the metadata the copyright and contract info. I choose none. And then you can click export. So guys, this is the result. I hope you like it, even though all the changes made with Camera Raw are merely subjective. So there's no real way to make the result pleasant to everyone. So for my English, I'm trying to do my best so that you can understand the concepts better. This video was mainly illustrative. If you want a video of your idea or one when I explain each step more in depth, don't hesitate to use the comment section that is set up for this. If you appreciate this content, I invite you to leave a like or subscribe. Thanks to everyone for watching.